はようございます。Sunday breakfast, Lina's kitchen. This morning I'm going to make a special pancake. It's Queen Elizabeth II's recipe presented by Women's Health magazine after her funeral. The pancake is called a drop scone, which the Queen sent President Dwight this recipe in 1960. First, add eggs, sugar, and 1 teacup of milk and beat them together. I had no idea how much 1 teacup would be, so literally I measure it with a cup. And then add 4 teacups of flour and mix them well. Again, I had no idea how much 4 teacups would be, so I used a teacup to measure. Add another 1 teacup of the milk and mix well together. And add and mix the bicarbonate and cream tartar. Add the melted butter and mix lightly. Look, it started bubbling already. The recipe said that cooking a dollop-sized pancake on a griddle, but mine is like normal-sized pancake. But never mind if it's tasty. Look at this. This is so fluffy. Finally, with the recipe, I could make 9 pieces of pancakes. I guess Queen enjoyed this pancake with their family. The article says that the Queen has tried golden syrup or treacle instead of only sugar, but I didn't have it, so I poured maple syrup on it. This is very soft but also thicker than other pancakes I've ever tried. Yummy! Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a blessed Sunday!